A woman tells her husband, "Remember those headaches I've been having all these years? They're gone." The husband asks, "No more headaches? What happened?" His wife replies, "Well, my mom referred me to an expert. He told me to stand in front of a mirror, stare at myself, and repeat 3 times, 'I do not have a headache,' and it worked." His wife then says, "You know, you haven't been exactly a fireball in the bedroom these last few years. Why don't you go see the expert and see if he can do anything for that?" The husband agrees and goes to the expert. After his appointment, the husband comes home, rips off his clothes, picks up his wife, and carries her into the bedroom. He puts her on the bed and says, "Don't move, my love. I'll be right back." He goes into the bathroom and comes back a few minutes later and jumps into bed and makes love to his wife like never before. Again, the husband says, "Don't move. I'll be right back." He goes back into the bathroom, comes back, and round 2 was even better than the first time. Once again, the husband says, "Don't move. I'll be right back." This time, the wife quietly follows him to the bathroom, where she hears him say, "She's not my wife. She's not my wife.